Stop by and take a look at the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.